Money is time and time is money. It is really precious, so why not spend it wisely? Back then, when we were in school, we were only limited to certain colors. We either run out of colors or procrastinate about it, and even end up spending money in buying similar colors. But wait, have you ever wondered something? You can use various creative ways to make different colors from available shades. Yes, it is possible. You can use only certain colors to make many other colors by mixing each other. It's just like more creativity in less time. Now let's further knowledge ourselves from color theory. Primary color. It is the gateway to other colors. It is combined with three different colors, red, blue, and yellow. Now mixing these three colors with each other, let's see what other colors we can get with the mixture. This way, we get another color also known as secondary color. Mixing red plus blue gives us purple. Mixing blue plus yellow gives us green. Mixing red plus yellow gives us orange. Now let's further see what variety colors we get when we mix primary colors with secondary colors. These mixtures are known as tertiary color. Mixing red plus purple gives us magenta. Mixing purple plus blue gives us violet. Mixing blue plus green gives us teal. Mixing green plus blue gives us chartreuse. Mixing yellow plus orange gives us amber. Mixing orange plus red gives us vermilion. Now combining these all colors, we have our basic color wheels. You would probably have known until now where it gets its name from. Let's take it one step further. Hue, saturation, and value. These terms you might not see in your daily life, but they are the key to understand more nuanced color. Hue. Hue is simply the name of a color. This includes red, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Saturation. It is intensity of a hue or purity of a hue. It includes high saturation and desaturation. Here, in high saturation, color is bright, whereas in desaturation, color is washed out or graded out. Value. The degree of lightness or darkness of a hue. Here it includes light, midtones, and dark. Skillshare shows you a full range of values. Shade. A hue produced by adding black. You get a variety of shades of red created by adding high amounts of black. Tint. A hue produced by adding white. You get variety of red tints by mixing a red with high amounts of white. Tone. A hue produced by adding gray. You get variety of red tones by mixing a red with high amounts of gray. So let us put these all together and create a professional looking color schemes as color harmony in a color wheel. These all are tried and true formulas. The easiest and first one is monochromatic because it contains using only one color or a single hue and no clash of colors at all. Now let us use our knowledge of saturation and value to create variations. Its best thing is that they are guaranteed to match. Analogous. An analogous is a group of three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel and a tertiary, like reds and oranges, or cooler colors like blues and greens. Don't be afraid to play with the palette and bring out your own unique creativeness. It is a color scheme that creates a rich monochromatic look. Complementary colors. It is the pair of colors which are combined or mixed by cancelling each other out by producing a grayscale color, like purple and yellow, blue and orange, or the classic red and green. We can also add some variety by introducing lighter, darker, or desaturated tones to avoid complementary color schemes which are too simplistic. It may also be called opposite colors. Split complementary color. It is a color scheme using one primary color and two secondary colors. It is placed symmetrically around color wheel instead of using complementary colors. Here, you have more colors to work with and potentially more interesting results. Triadic color. A triadic color scheme is any color palette made of 3 colors that are equally apart on the color wheel. With only using red, yellow, and blue, one acts as the dominant color and other 2 work as accent. So be mindful while using the color in your work. Tetradic color. Tetradic color schemes form a rectangle on the wheel, using a combination of 4 colors that consists of 2 sets of complementary colors, for example, purple and blue-green mixing with yellow and red. This best works when one color is dominant while the other serves as an accent. Hope this video was effective and helped you bring out your unique creativeness. Hope this video also made you familiar to various colors on how to choose the right one for your color combinations. We will be informing you more in our next video, where we will be sharing information and guide you with how color works in every day-to-day life. Never forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any notifications. Also, like, subscribe, and share our video. We would also like to hear your feedbacks and let us know in the comment section below what next video you would like us to make.